Hi everyone, it's Amy and today we're making a classroom door sign and I'm actually using a pizza pan from the Dollar Tree I got in the kitchen section and I'm painting it with black acrylic paint. I probably would use chalk paint if I had it. And then you're going to give that 2 coats of paint. And here I am taking something else from the Dollar Tree. That is a 12-inch wood round that they have there. It's just plain. And I found this notebook paper, scrapbook paper at Hobby Lobby, and I'm using that. So I traced it. I'm going to cut around it. And then I'm going to use my favorite purple glue stick. It works great with scrapbook paper and regular computer paper because you just don't get all those wrinkles like you do with Mod Podge or Elmer's glue. I put that on there. And I'm sanding off just the edges. Okay, and here I am giving that second coat of black paint. And this was a Facebook Live, but the audio was really messed up. So I saved the video, and I'm just doing this voiceover. So this is for Hillary. She is a reading specialist. So I printed out some books on Canva, and I put it right there at the bottom and trimmed off the excess. I used my Cricut, and I printed out these letters. It's her name, and I'm using painter's tape instead of transfer tape to put it on because I was afraid the transfer tape would be too sticky and would rip the scrapbook paper. So, and this actually worked pretty well. So I'm just peeling that. This turns out really cute. Now you can customize it for whatever you want. If you could use this just as a regular door sign at your house, not use books, use something else. All right, so now I'm using this old border that I had. It's a glittery purple border, and I'm making like a little pennant banner for the top, and I'm going to be using some white wood beads as well. So you can see over there that I'm making the little pennants. And I'm going to take my twine, and I'm putting some painter's tape around the top just so it doesn't fray and I can get it in the wood beads easily. So here I have the wood bead and I have the pen. I'm just going to hot glue it right on the twine, and I'm going to alternate with white bead and the little pennant, white bead pennant. Wait till you see how cute this looks. I love the way it turned out. And actually Hillary put it up on her door. It's adorable. I love it. Okay, so I'm using hot glue to stick the middle part in there. I would use some E6000 as well, just to make it permanent. Clear coat it. This looks adorable. All right, so now I'm taking some ribbon. I'm hot gluing it to the back. If this is going to be outside, obviously you will seal it, and you do not want to use hot glue, especially if you're in warmer temperatures. Then here's a clear coat, spray paint. Looks great.